Hello kids, hope you all are fine. So kids, in our previous video we have discussed about the definition of simple past tense and two rules to change the verbs into simple past tense. We have already discussed two rules to change the verbs into the simple past tense. Okay, so let's discuss once again. Let's see. Here you can see the rule. Here it is written. Let me make you understand in a better way. Here the first rule is uh, by adding d or ed after the verb, and second one is by replacing the y at the end of the verb with ied. ied. So children, let me make you understand in a better way. Here you can see. Okay, see, this one is a blackboard. With the help of blackboard we can understand. We will try to understand it in a better way. Okay, so let's see what is written here. So first rule is by adding d or ed. Okay, d or ed. Suppose the verb is smile, so as e is already there, so we have to add only d to the given verb, so that we'll get the past tense of the verb smile. So let's see what is written here. Smile, as e is already there, plus only d, as e is there, so we have to only add d, so that we'll get the past tense, simple past tense of the verb smile. That one is smiled. See, we are only adding d to the given verb. Okay, so this one is the first example. Then let's see by adding ed. See, here it is written play. Okay, so here e is not there, so we can add ed to the given verb. Okay, so now let's do another example. Here you can see fine is there, as e is already there, so we have to put only d, or we have to add only d to the given verb, so that we'll get the past tense of fine is find. Let's write in a simple way. fine plus only d, and we get find. Okay, simple past tense of find is find. We are adding only d. Okay, now let's take another example. That one is walk, walk. Here you can see children, only k is there, that means e is not there, that's why we have to add ed to the given verb, so that we can get the simple past tense of walk. That one is walked. Okay, got it? As there is no e here, so we have to add ed to get the simple past tense of the given verb. Okay, all clear? Okay, now the second one. Let's see second one. What is the second one? Let's see here. Second one is rule is by replacing the y at the end of the verb with ied. Replacing the y. Okay, so let's take an example. CRY. Here children, you can see the last letter of the given verb is y. So in the rule it is told that to replace y with ied, that means we have to remove this y, and in place of y we have to write down IED. Okay, so let's see as it is given there. So we have to write down what? We have to take only CR. Y should be removed. So CR plus what is written in the rule? We have to replace the letter Y with IED. IED to get the simple past tense of the verb cry. Let's write it in a better way. Okay, CRY equal to CR, that means we have to take only this much, plus IED, so that we'll get the simple past tense of cry is cried. Okay, got it? Okay, now let's see the another one. Go, went, then do, sorry, not this one. The carry, apply, try. Okay, carry, apply. Here it is written CARRY. Then second one is apply, then try, cry, try, same one. Okay, the rule will be applied like this. We have to remove this Y, and we have to add what? We have to add IED. IED to the given verb, but in place we have to replace this Y with these letters. Okay, so let's see how it will be happen. First one is carry. Let's write in a proper way. CARRY plus, so we have to do what? We have to replace this carry. We have to replace this replace the letter. Which letter? Tell me first. Y. So IED. So we have to write down only this much. CARRIED. IED. Carried. We get the simple past tense of the verb carry is carried, where Y is not there. Okay. Likewise, let's see another one. Try. TRY. So we have to remove this one and add IED, so that we'll get the simple past tense of the verb try is TRIED. This one we have to write down, and this one we have to write down. Okay, got it? Okay, but children, here you can see, let me give an example. Here play is written, and here try. Okay, but here to make the make this verb play, or to convert this the verb play into the simple past tense, we have to add only ed. But here to make the verb try into, to convert the verb try into simple past tense, we have to cut Y, and in place of Y, or we have to replace the letter Y with IED. But why? Can you tell me why? Because according to our rule, if the last letter is Y, then we have to follow the second rule. That one is, we have to replace Y with IED. But in case of played, the rule is not applicable. Why? Can you tell me? Okay, let me make you understand. See children, in the verb play, you can see the last letter is Y, but before the last letter A is there. You know, A, E, I, O, U, all are called vowels. All are called vowels. Okay. So children, if in the given verb you can see vowel before Y, in such case we have to add D or ed. We have to add only ed to make it or to convert it into simple past tense. Got it? See children, in play before the letter Y we get A, and A is a vowel. A is a vowel. So if in the given verb last letter is Y, but before Y if we will get vowel letter, then the second rule, which one? To replace the letter Y with IED. That rule will not be applicable. Okay. In such case, we have to add only ED to change it into simple past tense. Got it? But see here, in case of try, in case of what happened? Try, TRY. Here Y is there in the last that means the last letter of try is Y, and according to the rule we have to replace the letter Y with IED. Yes or no? And but we have to check whether the before letter of Y is a consonant or a vowel. Consonant means what? All the letter except the vowels, means vowels we have only 5 vowels. Yes or no? A, E, I, O, U, and except the vowels other letters are called consonants. Okay, like if A is vowel, then B, C, D are consonant. Then E is vowel, then F, G, H are consonant. Okay, so likewise if you will find the before letter of Y is a consonant, okay, at that time you have to apply the second rule. That means you have to replace the letter Y, okay, with I, E, D. You can see here in the verb try, Y is the last letter, and before Y R is there, and R is a consonant. Okay, so children, let me take another example. Like here it is written apply. Okay, apply A, P, let's write in a proper way, A, P, P, L, Y. Here also the last letter of this given verb is Y. So according to the rule we have to replace the letter Y with IED, but before that we have to check what? The before letter of the last letter Y. Okay, whether it is a vowel or consonant, we have to check. Whether the before letter of Y is a vowel or a consonant. If it is a vowel, then we have to change the verb by adding only ed. Okay, but if it is a consonant, then we have to apply the second rule. That means we have to replace the letter Y with IED. In this case, apply is there, you can see y, before y we have L. L letter is there, and L is a consonant. Apply. So you can see L, and L is a consonant. L is a consonant letter. Okay, so that means we can apply the second rule. That means we have to replace this y with IED. Okay, so that will get the simple past tense of the verb apply. Got it? All clear? Okay.